YouTube friends, it's Elizabeth J with an S. This morning or today or whenever you're watching this video, I wanted to do another unboxing. This is for the Annie's Kit Club for the Moroccan Afghan in Casablanca. I just received the 4th and 5th kits. I believe this is the 4th. Hopefully when I open it will be the 4th. Anyway, I have finished 1, 2, and 3. And so I wanted to show you what that looked like. I'll put a picture in of the whole thing because it doesn't fit in the camera frame anymore. But this is the bottom edge or the top edge that I worked on. So from this red or this rust colored border outwards was the 3rd kit. Okay, and I'll just move it so you can see there. So basically what we did was we added this rust border, then we added the 4 edges here, and this whole bit was crocheted all at one go. So basically what you did was you had all the colors going at the same time, and you would just bring it down to the next section that you were going to do. And so in that case, in that way, you created this kind of tile pattern, which was actually quite interesting to do. I had never done like drop stitches like that before. So those 4 sides were added on directly to the main square, and then these, I want to say granny squares, although they're not really granny squares, they're flowers of some kind, were done separately. So I did 12 of these, and then they were what I did was I put them together in the L shape and then added them onto the whole Afghan. And so that is where we're at this point. So at this point I'll put in a picture of the whole thing as what it looks like right now, so you can see the whole thing. And we are going to open the next subscription and see what's in there and what we'll be working on. So let's put that to the side. I hope I'm opening the right thing. Otherwise, that won't be too fun. Alright, let me just take out the instructions. Okay, so this is kit 4. Yes, I got the right one. Okay, so kit 4. And that is kit 4. Now, just so you're aware, if you decide to do a subscription with Annie's Kit Clubs, you just need to log in with your email address and you can access PDFs of the pattern. So if you lose the paper pattern, then you have PDFs, and there are also video tutorials that take you through the entire process. So it's quite helpful. Basically, I don't really use, unless I know what I'm doing, I don't use the paper pattern. I actually just have the video playing and on silent with closed caption, so that way I can like be watching something else on TV or something like that. And yeah, I follow along. And it's really great because you can like rewind it and go back and that kind of thing. So these are the colors that we have in the kit for today. So let's open it and see what we'll be doing next. I really love the softness of this yarn. I already have decided that I'm going to do a second subscription, not the same blanket, a different blanket, once I finish this one. All right, so this is kit number 4. It says we will need to have our crochet hook, which I'm using what's recommended, the 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. size I or size 9, depending on where you're purchasing your crochet hooks. A tapestry needle, which I've not done anything with the tapestry needle. Remnant of peach sand from a previous kit. So let me just pull the peach sand and then we can continue. Okay, so I just pulled this out. I'm not sure which kit it was from. I want to say the first one, just based on the colors in the Afghan. So that's the peach sand. So they do tell you in the instructions to keep everything, that because some of the colors will be repeated later. So I'm saving everything to see what I will have left over at the end of the blanket, and then I'll show you what I have left over, and maybe I can make something small. Certainly I could do this Afghan again using my own yarn. Obviously I'm not going to purchase them again because I would have to only purchase them, I think, through the subscription. I don't think I can buy direct yarn from her, although I'm not sure. That might be I can't purchase this from Premier because this yarn is made exclusively for Annie's Kit Clubs. So if I were to be able to purchase it, I don't know. I'll have to check that out, which is an interesting thought. Anyway, so I need that. So these are the colors that we need. I might have some of the cream left over from last time. And so I have a skein of Mediterranean, which I think I have some left over from a previous kit, so I'll use that first before I start this one. I have Spice, which I might have some left over. Aquamarine, I'm pretty sure these are repeat colors, and then the cream. So those are the colors that I have, plus the peach, and the pattern is here. And so what we're going to be working on, let's take a closer look. Let's move that out of the way so I can zoom in on this. Okay, so I have completed up to the white edge here on the current up through kit 3. So I will be adding this blue here, and I think another cream edge around, and then doing this tile there. So you can see the purple shows what you'll be doing for kit 4. So that is what we'll be doing in this kit. And so there is the actual tile that I'll be doing. So there's some crocheting around. I think on some back loops it looks like it's raised up. Some interesting shapes that hopefully I'll learn how to do. I'm excited about it. So yeah, so that is that. There's our Afghan. And let's take a look again just very quickly at the yarns. So here's my peach sand yarn. Here's the cream. You can just see it up close. This is a number 4 weight, 100% acrylic. Sorry, I already showed you cream. This one is the Mediterranean, I believe. Nope, aquamarine. Okay. This one's the Mediterranean, just so you can get up close to the colors. And this one is the Spice. Okay, so this is the yarn weight, extremely soft. And like I said, this is exclusive, so I don't think you can buy this anywhere else, which is fine. I mean, you know, it's someone's business. And each skein has 90 yards in it, or 50 grams in weight. And this is a medium number 4 yarn. So let me just zoom back out. So there you have it, Annie's Kit Club Moroccan Tile Afghan. That's for Casablanca color, kit number 4. See you around when I'm ready to open kit number 5.